As you already noticed, we have many cars in our collection already. You have seen our bikes, you have seen our Formula 1 car, and also you have seen this Huracan, to which we have now this. After 1.5 years of waiting for this car, it's finally here, brand new from the factory. Fun fact about Lamborghini is that they make you choose every single detail about the car. You can change the color of the calipers, stitching, interior, every part of it, so that's cool. Now there is one more thing I didn't mention back then, because later in this video we're taking it to the airstrip for the first time, doing a road race and showing you our real reactions going full throttle.
Revuelto has 6.5 liter atmospheric V12 engine that makes 825 horsepower, 725 Nm of torque, and that's not all. Because it has another 3 electromotors, 2 in front, 1 in rear, that are adding up to total of 1015 horsepower.
Monocoque is made out of carbon and it's 10% lighter than in the Aventador and 25% tougher. Also, front structure is 20% lighter than in the Aventador.
Revuelto also has new Lamborghini 8-speed double-clutch gearbox, and fun fact is reverse speed is only connected to electromotors.
Active rear wing optimized for more airflow are increasing downforce of up to 33% in the front and 74% in back. Also, we can see tires are specially made for this car, and those are Bridgestones, and they have same width as SVJ and Chiron, that's 355 mm.
Revuelto has 3 separate displays, one for driver, one central, and one for passenger.
And now we are at the airstrip, and as you may have noticed, this is not the 2025 anymore. We have actually recorded this after 6 another months, but we want to show you a new upgrade that we have on this car that we did over the winter.
Then this Formula 1 incident happened and we had to focus on that.
So now we're in the car and let's go. Well, okay, but I don't hear anything, do you? Well, I guess, as you know, this car is a hybrid. It has 1000 horsepower, and some big part of the horsepower is, of course, the electric system, which we can switch by this. And this is what I'm talking about. And that's how Hypercar sounds like. But we will have another huge upgrade that is coming in our way. And that is, well, you're gonna find out yourself next time. That's what I'm talking about, like, just insane car. I actually think one of the most interesting parts about this car is the switch. Going from silent electric to a full V12, it kind of reminds me of those Le Mans cars when they leave the pits on electric and suddenly fire up the engine. There's something about that, it's like awakening monster from hell. But hearing the switch is one thing. Now I'm going to turn around and show you how it looks at full throttle. And of course you're gonna have a lot of things that you can look forward to, and I think this is one of the biggest thing we have showed by far. Show this. Like hell. 355s in the back, insane. Lamborghini, they know what to do. Yeah, baby. Yeah. And I know, even though it may not feel like through video but it's just perfect and it feels perfect. I can't even describe the emotions. Here we have a Murciélago. Alright, and I think it's gonna be wow. I have no words. And now I'm gonna go back and we're gonna switch with Lucas. And he's gonna show you how it feels like about it as well. Yeah, it's just perfect. All right. I smell brakes. And the brakes are, oh my god, yeah, they're working well, safe to say. Oh, you have a Murci there. Look at this. And you're gonna have a lot of more things to look forward to in this year, definitely. So, what do you say about this masterpiece?
100 horsepower.
100 horsepower. I think it's like 1,000 maybe.
1001 horsepower.
Yeah.
And this is a future Lamborghini Revuelto. Okay, so this machine is absolute crazy. Yeah, Murciélago is straight from hell. Now we get a full straight pipe with X-pipe system.
Yeah, as you may have seen in a previous video, we've done full straight pipe system, full straight pipe exhaust system. Some of you say that I said it wrong, but it's with an X-pipe at the end. And if you didn't see that, go check the video right here or right here, I'm not sure, and go hit a like and subscribe us, because we want more support and definitely we want to take you on more videos like this and trips, right?
That's crazy.
That is indeed really insane. I haven't driven anything more powerful than this. Just insane, perfect, and I myself have no words to say about that.
We doesn't like hybrids, but this machine, Lamborghini,
It's an exemption, right?
this is the best hybrid on the earth.
Yeah.
Exactly. Look at this. RPM.
9,500 RPM, yeah, that's what we're talking about. It's just crazy. Oh, we have actual electric gauge that is showing us we have only 5 kilometers left of range of electric, whatever it is.
Don't get electric.
Yeah, let's go. Also, as you can see, we have this perfect passenger dashboard, and we can see how our driver is, how he's fast.
Perfect grip.
Yeah, it does have a perfect grip. 355s on the back. think this video already shows pretty well how aggressive this car is in a straight line, but taking it to the proper twisty roads, that's something we'll save for another video, because right now it's time for the main event, the thing you all have been waiting for, a roll race, and standing against the Lamborghini Murciélago, a proper old school V12, no hybrid, no restrictions, and just raw engine. This one has been modified though, straight through setup with an X-pipe, no restrictions and a maximum flow. And yes, it shoots flames, and pretty big. If you want to see the full build, check the video in the top corner right now. So this is serious opponent. Up against the modern hybrid Revuelto, on paper, the answer seems obvious. But is it really going to be that simple? Well, let's find out. But on the second one, Lucas had to lift off of the roll race because the oil temperature dropped a bit, and at that point it's just not worth risking the engine. Oh, and we actually forgot to record an ending for this video, so I have to end it myself. If you have enjoyed it, drop like and subscribe if you want to see more, and don't worry, we didn't forget about a POV from Murciélago and ZL6. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.